Hey, amazing ladies! Are you ready to start a business without breaking the bank? Imagine building your own empire with less than $100. Today, I'm sharing 10 small business ideas that you can start right now for cheap, designed specifically for all the fierce women out there who want to turn their dreams into reality. First up, let's talk about becoming a virtual assistant. If you're organized and a master of multitasking, this one's for you. From managing emails to scheduling, there are so many businesses that would love your help. All you need is a laptop and some internet. Start by creating a profile on freelancer sites or reaching out to local businesses, and you're on your way. Who doesn't love a personalized touch? For under $100, you can buy materials and create custom gift baskets for birthdays, baby showers, or holidays. Think candles, skincare, chocolates. You can start small and promote them on social media. People love a unique, thoughtful gift. Obsessed with social media? Why not get paid for it? Businesses need help managing their social media accounts. And if you know how to create engaging content, this could be the perfect gig for you. Use Canva for free graphics and start offering your services to small businesses locally or online. Idea number 4, pet sitting or dog walking service. Love animals? Pet sitting or dog walking is a super easy business to start, perfect for pet lovers. Plus, all you really need is time and love for animals. Start by reaching out to neighbors and local groups. Post on platforms like Rover or even Facebook groups. Idea number 5, homemade candles or soaps. If you're crafty, then homemade candles or soaps are an awesome small business idea. You can buy supplies for under $100, and people love handmade, natural products. Start small, create a few samples, and share them on Instagram or Etsy to attract your first customers. Idea number 6, tutoring or online coaching. Got a skill or subject you're passionate about? Why not start tutoring or online coaching? Whether it's math, fitness, or personal finance, people are willing to pay for expertise. Just hop on Zoom and you can start this one with $0 in overhead costs. Idea number 7, dropshipping. Have you ever heard of dropshipping? It's a business model where you don't hold any inventory. For under $100, you can set up a website and start selling products. When someone buys, you pass the order to a supplier and they ship it directly. It's low cost and minimal risk. Quick tip, use platforms like Shopify or Etsy to get started. Love making videos or taking photos? Then, why not turn it into a business? Content creation can become a revenue stream through partnerships and ads. Start with what you have. Even a smartphone works. Share what you love, whether it's fashion, fitness, or cooking, and watch your audience grow. Pro tip: stick to a theme to attract loyal followers. If you have a knack for writing, freelance writing or editing is a fantastic way to earn money online. From blog posts to website copy, the demand is high, and you can start by signing up on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Idea: start a blog or write sample pieces to build your portfolio. Last but definitely not least, creating printables or digital downloads. From planners and calendars to kids' activities, digital downloads are huge on sites like Etsy. You can make them on Canva, and the best part? You don't need to restock. Make it once, sell it forever. Digital downloads, passive income goldmine. There you have it, 10 small business ideas, all under $100 that you can start right now. Which one spoke to you the most? Comment below and let's get this boss lady convo started. And if you're excited to see more empowering content like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new idea. Until next time, go get it, girl.